The fate of former Senator Bongbong Marcos' election case against Vice President Leni Robredo lies in the hands of these gods of Padre Faura. Tuesday's Anbang session will be Chief Justice Lucas Bersamin and Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio's last time to vote on cases, possibly including Marcos' protest. Amid rumors of a decision favoring the son of the late dictator, Robredo's lawyers are appealing to the justices, stick to your rules.
If you amend the rules, para bang binabago mo ang rules in the middle of the game?
Reports said that the court sitting as the Presidential Electoral Tribunal might disregard Rule 65. Under this rule, if Marcos fails to gain substantial recovery in his 3 pilot provinces, his case should be dismissed. It ends there, although Marcos can still appeal.
Na kapag hindi ka nakapagpatunay doon sa 3 probinsya mo, the remedy or the result is that the protest will be dismissed as provided under Rule 65 of the PET rules.
Macalental points out this rule not only applies to PET.
Sa Senate Electoral Tribunal, sa House Electoral Tribunal, sa Commission on Elections, meron tayong initial determination stage, pilot provinces.
Robredo's lawyers also questioned Marcos' claim that he has a 3rd cause of action.
We made it clear now to the Supreme Court, there is no such thing as 3rd cause of action.
Macalental explains in Marcos' election protest, he only identified 2 causes of action. First, annulment of the Vice President's proclamation. Second, annulment of results and recount.
So in other words, magkakasama po yun sa 2nd cause of action.
Robredo claims Marcos only raised the 3rd cause, annulment of votes in Basilan, Lanao del Sur, and Maguindanao belatedly.
For the first time, when he filed his consolidated reply, doon nagkaroon ng distinction si Mr. Marcos na meron daw siyang 2nd and 3rd cause of action.
But for Marcos, Robredo's move is just an affirmation of what he has long demanded, to respect the tribunal's rules. His spokesperson reminds Robredo that her failure to pay the cash deposit should be a basis to dismiss her counter-protest. If the tribunal rules in favor of Robredo when it comes to the recount, but still proceeds with the annulment of votes, Macalental says it's still not a win.
Any rule or any ruling that would not favor us is not yet final, because we have the right to file a motion for reconsideration.
But for Marcos' supporters, they can't wait for the decision to come out.
Totoo naman nanalo si Bongbong, ideklara na. At yan naman ini-expect namin na idideklara bukas.
Macalental says whoever is favored in the voting on Tuesday will gain political mileage. After all, a Marcos-Robredo face-off might be a possibility in the 2022 presidential elections. I'm Jolly Marios, CNN Philippines.